Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparation. Register today for Stellar Talent Search exam. Admissions are open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2021.
Also, we wanted to highlight the recently published tobacco-free educational institution guidelines. We call it as TOFI guidelines, and through this the intention is to make all the schools tobacco-free, including all the schools under the Director of Education, Higher Education, Technical Education, all the colleges, universities, wherever the education is imparted. This is section 6B of COTPA. It says that no tobacco product should be sold within 100 yards of the education institute. We are organizing training for all the headmasters and the schools because we have 810 schools under Director of Education in North Goa.
So the focus of this program is to update all the officers what are the various sections of COTPA for enforcing, so that the officers are aware of what is their powers, what is the procedure. If there is a non-display of the board, what is the fine? If there is a cigarette packets or BDs or gutka which is not permitted to be there, then what is the way to do the seizure? But since this program is done online because of COVID, the resource people from Delhi cannot come.